is a 5 centimeter outlet valve, the entire set, include the sponge washer for the separate toilet bowl and the toilet tank. This is good. So we're going to try this later. This is my old outlet valve. This is the new one. Buy back the same with 5 cm and the same height, 28 cm for me. Yours may be different. This is the same. Can you see? Right. So I'm gonna replace this with this. This toilet consists of 2 parts, the tank and I call it the bowl. If yours is in one piece, you will buy an outlet valve with a metal. I bought a wrong one. This is meant for a one-piece toilet. Today I'm going to remove this. To remove this, you have to go underneath. If you look inside the hole, there is a metal. This metal is meant for a one-set toilet. But if you have a separate tank, you should not use this because the screws have a limited size. It's very difficult to screw the metal onto the water tank. This is the bowl, this is the tank. Look at it. There's not enough space for the screw. And the only support is these 2 metal. By right, it should be a screw type outlet valve instead of a metal. This is how you change the outlet valve. This is called the outlet valve. Remember, if your toilet is a one set, use this with metal. Because look at the screw. Look at my finger. It's only about 1 inch half. It's not long enough for you to go onto the water tank. You should be using this for separate tank. This is a screw type. This is broken because internally it's no longer able to push this down because the plastic inside already broken.
要关注我的视频，点击
Look at that.
subscribe.
The plastic inside is broken. Always buy a backup so that if this happens to you, you have a backup.